Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading analysis. Today I'll talk about the British pound US dollar, and we'll be working with a 30-minute time frame, which is my favorite time frame for a day trading analysis. So if you look at the British pound chart, then you can see that currently there's a strong trend on the British pound. There's a strong uptrend, and when there's uptrend, what I want to do is look for significant volume zones on my volume profile indicator, which I use over the trend area. In this case, actually, I can use it also like this, but it doesn't really matter if I use the volume profile over the whole trend area or just a part of it. Today, I want to talk about two significant zones, about this volume zone and about this volume zone. The first volume zone formed in here, the second volume zone formed in here. As the price was going higher and higher, buyers were adding to the long positions in here and in here, right? Those are the volumes we can see there. This is where the volumes were traded. So those are two places where strong buyers were active. Quite possibly strong institutional buyers were active here. And for that reason, I think that those zones will play a very significant role in the future when the price gets back to those zones. So when there's a pullback to the first zone at some point in the future, then I expect there'll be a reaction. That heavy volume zone begins at 1.2034, and if the price continues to drop even more, makes another pullback to the beginning of the second zone, which is 1.1997, then I expect another reaction from there, from the beginning of that heavy volume zone, right? This is where I like to trade from the beginning of the heavy volume zone. So I expect buyers who are active here and here to become active again, defend those important zones, and push the price upwards from there again. This is a setup which I call the trend setup. It is a volume profile setup, and I use it when there is a trend. So you only need to look for significant volume zones within the trend, and it's important that those zones haven't been tested yet. All right, the price haven't tested those zones before. As you can see, price hasn't tested this level, neither it tested this level yet. When the level is tested, then I don't trade it anymore. All right. Now, there's one more thing regarding the first level, this one, this support. And the thing is that there's opening gap from Monday. The market opened with a gap. What usually happens is that sooner or later, such gaps get closed. In most cases, it's sooner rather than later. So I'm still waiting for the price to close the gap like this. This would mean closing the gap. And what the price likes to do after closing the gap is react to the volumes before the gap. Those are the volumes before the gap, right? So that's what I like about the level, that it's not only the trend setup I was showing you, but also that the level is behind that opening gap. So I think that the price will close the gap soon, and then this will be a nice place to go long from. Now, to be clear, I don't plan to trade shorts to speculate on closing the gap. Now, I'll be waiting to trade longs from here and also from here. All right. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then I recommend join our trading community, getting one of our educational and indicator packs. You can do so on my website. This is it, trader-dale.com. If you click this button which says browse courses, then it will take you to this page, And in here, you can check out my courses. The first one is called the Elite Pack. It focuses on volume profile trading. And the other one is called the Order Flow Pack, and it focuses on order flow trading. So check the packs out. There are videos which you can watch that will show you everything that's included. Alright, so that's about that. That's about the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy trading.